Poem 8 Vocation. This wonderful poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. And before we start understanding this poem, let us know the meaning of vocation. So, vocation is a type of work that you feel you are suited to doing and to which you should give all your time and energy, or the feeling that a type of work suits you. So, who is searching for his perfect vocation? Let's find out. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman, walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. So, in this poem, a child is longing for the freedom he sees in the lives of those around him. He wanted to be free from his own routine and wanted to enjoy life like them. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning, the child goes to his school. On his way to school, he used to watch a salesman who would shout, "Bangles, crystal bangles," to sell his bangles. While looking at him, the child thought that the vendor was free. He was in no hurry to reach anywhere. He was free to take any road he liked. He doesn't have to return home at a fixed time like the child. There was no restriction on him. The child was impressed by his freedom and wished to be a hawker, as he wanted to be free and happy like him. Now the child was coming back from school at 4 o'clock in the afternoon when he noticed a gardener through the gate of the house. The gardener was digging the soil with a spade. The gardener did what he liked with his spade. He was not worried that his clothes were getting dirty. Nobody was there to scold him even if he gets wet or spends time in the sun for long hours. The child then wanted to be a gardener so that nobody can punish him for digging the ground. He wanted to play freely with soil. At night, his mother would send him to sleep in his room where there used to be an open window. From there, he noticed a watchman walking here and there in the dark, lonely street. The street was lonely and dark, and there was a street lamp which looked like a superhuman with a red eye in its head to the child. The watchman had a lantern which he moved here and there. While he walked with the lantern, his shadow was visible on his side. Now the child thought that the watchman never have slept at night all his life. The child was so attracted to his moves that he wished to be a watchman, so that he could walk all night in the street without any restriction and run after his own shadow with a lantern in hand. इस कविता में एक बच्चे को स्वतंत्रता की बहुत लालसा थी। वो अपने आसपास कई लोगों को काम करता हुआ देखता है और उनकी आज़ादी देख प्रभावित हो जाता है। इसीलिए वो अपनी दिनचर्या छोड़ उनके जैसा बनने की कामना करता है ताकि वो भी उनकी तरह आज़ादी से जीवन का आनंद ले पाए। सुबह जब घड़ी 10 बजाती है तब बच्चा स्कूल जाने के लिए निकलता है। रास्ते में हर दिन उसकी मुलाकात एक चूड़ी बेचने वाले से होती है जो कांच की रंग बिरंगी चूड़ियाँ आवाज़ देकर बेचता है। उसे देखकर बच्चे को लगा कि वो चूड़ी विक्रेता बिल्कुल आज़ाद है। वह मंद गति से चलता है और कहीं भी जा सकता है। उस पर कोई दबाव नहीं होता कि वो किस गति से चले या फिर किस सड़क पर जाए। ना ही उसके लिए कहीं पहुंचने का समय तय है। बच्चा उसकी आज़ादी देखकर काफ़ी प्रभावित होता है। उसे लगा कि उस पर तो बहुत पाबंदियां हैं, लेकिन विक्रेता पूरी आज़ादी का आनंद ले रहा है। इसीलिए बच्चे ने एक चूड़ी विक्रेता बनने की कामना की, ताकि वो भी आज़ादी से घूमे और सड़कों पर चिल्लाता रहे। दोपहर 4 बजे जब बच्चा स्कूल से वापस आता है तो वह एक घर के गेट से एक माली को देखता है। माली कुदाल से मिट्टी खोद रहा होता है। बच्चे ने देखा कि माली को अपने कपड़े मिट्टी से गंदे करने, अपने औजारों से खेलने, ज़्यादा देर तक धूप में रहने, भीगने या कुछ भी करने की पूरी आज़ादी थी। उसे यह सब करने के लिए सज़ा भी नहीं मिलने वाली थी। यह सब देखकर बच्चा फिर से आकर्षित हुआ। उसने कामना की कि वह एक माली बन पाए, ताकि वो मिट्टी खोदे व मिट्टी में खेल सके और कोई उसे रोकने के लिए आसपास ना रहे और ना ही उसे ऐसा करने पर सज़ा मिले। रात में बच्चे की माँ उसे कमरे में सोने के लिए भेजती थी। कमरे में एक खुली खिड़की हुआ करती थी, जहाँ से बच्चे को गली में एक पहरेदार यानी कि चौकीदार इधर उधर टहलता हुआ दिखाई देता था। गली अंधेरी व सुनसान थी। गली में एक बत्ती भी जल रही थी, जो कि बच्चे को एक अलौकिक शक्ति की तरह लग रही थी, जिसके सिर पर लाल आंख हो। चौकीदार हाथ में लालटेन लिए बिना किसी रोक टोक के इधर उधर चल रहा था और पीछे पीछे उसकी परछाई भी घूम रही थी। बच्चे ने सोचा कि चौकीदार शायद अपने जीवन में रात को कभी सोया ही नहीं होगा। बच्चा चौकीदार की इस चाल से इतना प्रभावित हुआ कि अब वह एक चौकीदार बनना चाहता था, ताकि वो भी रात को गलियों में बिना रोक टोक के घूम सके और लालटेन लेकर अपनी ही परछाई का पीछा कर सके। So, this was the poem, and as we read this poem, we have seen the child's desire for freedom. In his life, he is bound to follow strict rules and a fixed routine, and he is even punished by his parents when he makes any mistake. Hence, when he sees the hawker roaming in the streets freely, gardener doing work with his spade freely, and watchman walking in the night freely, he desires to be like them, as he only looks at their freedom and is unaware about their difficulties and harsh realities of their life.